In this video, we are going to see that if you get the Windows update error code 0xca020007 in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here is a quick solution or a couple of solutions for you, and one of them might definitely work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is use the troubleshooter of Windows. It is very helpful in many situations. So just write troubleshoot settings in the start menu, search. And once we are in here, just click on this third option which says other troubleshooters. And from here, just select Windows Update, click on run button. It will take some time to detect the problem and it will tell you the appropriate solution. And once it detects the problem, it will show you a couple of steps on how you can resolve that. Just try this one by one and that should resolve the problem. After that, what you can do is just go to the start menu and just write here CMD, which is for command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. If it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And here just write SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. Hit enter. It will begin this scanning process. So this process will take some time, as it says. Just sit back and relax while it completes the process. And once the process is complete, you can just close out of here and just restart your computer. And after the restart, what you can do is just go to the start menu again and just write Windows Update again and try checking the updates, and the error should be resolved. So pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.